Welcome to the world of compact adventure. Today, we're diving into the details of the Winnebago Solis Pocket, the camper van that's redefining what it means to live the van life. Whether you're an experienced road tripper or just starting to explore the open road, the Solis Pocket offers versatility, functionality, and comfort. Let's start with the exterior design. The Solis Pocket is built on the Ram ProMaster 1500 chassis, making it one of the most maneuverable and compact camper vans in the market. With a total length of just over 17 feet, it's perfect for tight urban streets, small campsites, and off-grid trails. The streamlined design and bold lines of the exterior give it a modern and rugged aesthetic that complements any adventure. One of the standout features is the rear double doors. They open wide, providing easy access to your gear or creating a breezy, open-air vibe when parked. The rear doors also come equipped with screens, keeping bugs out while letting fresh air in, perfect for enjoying a summer evening by the lake or in the woods. Now, stepping inside, you'll find a space that's surprisingly roomy for its compact footprint. Winnebago has designed the Solis Pocket with maximum efficiency in mind. Every inch of space is carefully utilized to provide comfort and practicality. Starting at the rear, there's the versatile Murphy bed. By day, it folds up against the wall, transforming the area into a multi-purpose space for gear storage, work, or dining. By night, it folds down to reveal a cozy sleeping area with a memory foam mattress. Beneath the bed, you'll find ample storage space for bikes, backpacks, or other large items. Moving forward, you'll find a well-equipped galley kitchen. Despite the compact size, this kitchen has everything you need. It features a 2-burner propane stove, a sink with a pull-out sprayer, and a compact refrigerator. There's also plenty of storage for your cooking essentials, making it easy to prepare meals wherever you are. Across from the kitchen is the dinette area. It features a versatile table and bench seating, perfect for meals, working on your laptop, or playing a game of cards. The table can also convert into an extra sleeping space, making the Solis Pocket a great option for couples, solo travelers, or small families. What's truly impressive is how the Solis Pocket incorporates a fully functional bathroom. The wet bath includes a toilet, shower, and sink, all in one compact space. It's a game changer for anyone who wants the convenience of an onboard bathroom without sacrificing too much interior room. Another highlight of the Solis Pocket is its off-grid capabilities. It comes with a 20-gallon fresh water tank, a 20-pound propane tank, and a 210-watt solar panel mounted on the roof. Whether you're camping in the desert or parked in a remote forest, you'll have the essentials to stay comfortable and connected. Heating and cooling are also well thought out. The van features a Truma Vario heat system for warmth on chilly nights and ceiling ventilation fans to keep things cool during the day. Plus, the insulated walls and roof make it suitable for 3-season camping, extending your travel possibilities. Let's talk about driving. The Solis Pocket is not only easy to handle but also fuel efficient for a camper van. With its compact size and a powerful yet efficient engine, you can easily navigate narrow roads, winding trails, and city traffic. Features like a rear-view camera and modern driver assist technologies add to the driving ease and safety. In terms of connectivity, the Solis Pocket has got you covered. It includes USB ports, 110V outlets, and plenty of lighting options to keep your devices charged and the space well lit. It's a perfect balance of comfort and practicality for life on the road. Lastly, the price point of the Solis Pocket makes it one of the most accessible camper vans in its class. It offers incredible value for its features and build quality, making it an excellent choice for both weekend adventurers and full-time van lifers. The Winnebago Solis Pocket is proof that big adventures can come in small packages. From its smart design to its off-grid capabilities, it's a camper van built to take you wherever the road leads. So, whether you're planning your next great adventure or just dreaming of the van life, the Solis Pocket might just be the perfect companion for your journey. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!